In this talk, we are going to find the output of the following code. Here, class name is student. Now we have three instance variable. First one is int SID. Second one is long CNO. Is SID means student ID. In short, I have written there. And this stands for CNO, stands for contact number. And S name, which is a string type here, means that student name. And after that, we have, okay, let me show you the whole code so that it would be easy for you to understand easily. Okay, so this is the whole code. Okay, I'm scrolling through. Okay, so this is the whole code. Okay, now discuss. This is the constructor, and this is the constructor block. This is the constructor block. Here we are passing the three parameters. This is the constructor name, and first we are passing the int SID. Second, we are passing the long CNO. Now you know what is SID, what is CNO, and what is S name. Yes, and we are passing the three arguments in the constructor. This type of constructor we call the parameterized constructor. Parameterized constructor. And now inside the constructor, we are assigning the value of SID to the current object value with the help of this keyword. Here SID refers to the SID instance. SID refers to the SID instance variable of the current object, and that object which is being constructed. Why SID refers to the SID parameter passed to the constructor. By using this dot SID, we are assigning the value of the SID parameter to the SID instance variable of the current object. We are again doing the same thing for the CNO. This is refers to the instance variable of the current object. This CNO refers to the instance variable of the current object, and CNO refers to the parameter passed to the constructor. We are assigning the value of the CNO parameter to the CNO instance variable of the current object, and which we are doing with the help of this dot CNO. This is a keyword. This is a what keyword? So now you can understand for the third one. S name, this refers to the instance variable of the current object. Now that object we are assigning to the value of the parameter to the instance variable of the current object. Okay, so now after that we have the toString method. And let me show you the block of that code. Yes, this is the toString method block, and this toString method returns a formatted string. This toString method give the formatted string to the console, and now this returning the strings which we are passing there. This method is returning the formatted string. This is an inbuilt method which is overridden once our main method is called. Let me show you the main method block. This is the main method block. Once this object is created, S object is created with the help of the constructor student. Once this object is created, in that constructor we are passing three values. First we are passing 1, second we are passing 123, and the name which is a Anu. And now the object which is S here, we are printing that object with the help of system.out.println. So now we understood what is happening in this program, in this whole program. Yes. Okay. Now tell me the output. Tell me the output. What would be the output according to you? You can comment down, and after that see the output. What is the actual output? So first, let me tell you the flow of the program first. Flow of the program. First, the compiler come here, and this student's class is so we know that in Java, the execution of the program always start from the main method. Okay, so the program execution start from the main method itself. Okay, so it will come to the main method block and it will run the this line. So student s is equal to new is a keyword. With the help of that, we can create the objects. This is new is what? Keyword. Okay, so now these three parameters, parameter 1, 2, 3, these three parameter we are passing into the constructor. So what it would be happen, it will, the control flow will go here, then enters inside, run all these codes. Then now the current object of that variable is having the 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, and the third argument anu inside that. Now this two string method is called. Now this two string method is called once this object is created. Before that, because this is a inbuilt method that will call explicitly. Okay, so now, and it will return the, let me change the color. It will return the student ID, then contact number, then student name. This is what I have already told you in my previous lectures. This is concatenation operator. Operator. Okay, come to know the output. Come to know the output. Okay, let me show you. Yeah, the output will be, first this string is printed on the console, student ID. Yeah, and now one is printed because in current variable object we have one here. Okay, now after that it will print the contact number. Contact number, it is 1234223. This will be printed, and the third string is s name, which is a student name. Student name, it will printed as a anu. So this is the correct output, or you can say this is the final output of this code. And one thing you can remember here, like this all is printing on the different lines. Why? Because we have used here backslash n, backslash n. So that's why it is printing into the different lines. Okay, that's all for this lecture. I will meet you in the next lecture. Okay, learn Java and be happy.